Homer wakes to the toaster screaming like Moe's tavern crowd, alarm bells rattling this morning. Marge serves coffee as Homer learns his factory layoff call, fired after a donut incident. Bart films Dad's despair, quips echo, dough becomes a theme song for chaos tonight outside. Marge proposes lemonade stand to pay bills, Homer groans, says we're doomed, yet optimistic today. Lisa drafts signs about literacy, Bart does tough guy marketing, Maggie claps with bottle caps. Springfield residents stroll, Ned Flanders offers lemonade recipe, insists on wholesome tax-deductible virtue for him. Mr. Burns sneers, offers grant, but demands shadowy publicity, Smithers whispers caution into their scheme. Lisa suspects health inspector, Chief Wiggum arrives with donut holes, eats evidence before the crowd. Homer fixates on make-believe rescue, imagines lemonade empire, chaos kisses cash registers wildly at closing. Bart and Lisa compete with Mayor Quimby's youth booth, rival lemonade side chats spark prank war. Moe's patrons drift, eyeing cash, Homer negotiates with Moe about credit for stand this week. Apu offers sweet tea alternative, Homer misreads, pours into quick lube oil can mistakenly during chaos. Dough echo returns, a sign falls, revealing lemonade of Springfield endorsement from Burns at last. Run-in with barbecue truck, crusty clones cans, chaotic cutaway chases between side street alleys at noon. Narration keeps time, referencing past episodes, Bart jokes, deja vu, Homer style, like this again. Morning sun spills over Quickie Mart, Apu counts lemons, dreams of franchise someday for family today. Homer, now co-captain, spills lemonade on Burns' suit, Burns roars, demands refills before formal meeting. Marge orchestrates, guiding customers, teaching Bart and Lisa restraint, Maggie orchestrates tiny cheers for goodwill. Ned Flanders volunteers, offers neighborly sermons about lemonade virtue and shared responsibility for all Springfield. Chief Wiggum guards curb, slips on squeeze bottle, becoming accidental mascot, shouting lemon justice today. Meanwhile, Lisa petitions PTA, Principal Skinner nods, allows lemonade booths after school fair this year. The crowd grows, Homer proclaims family business while Duffman arrives, endorsing heroic hydration for everyone. Climax build, burning grill, runaway cart, kids juggling lemons, crowd erupts with laughter and chaos. A prankster shoots confetti, signaling grand finale, Homer slips, slides toward birthday cake carnage area. Marge shields Maggie as the crowd applauds, Bart and Lisa salvage lemons, calculate profits quickly. Burns returns, ironically impressed, offers loan if they name stand after him for celebrity status. Homer refuses, promises accountability, Chief Wiggum tags him with paperwork, creating slapstick for the fiasco. Lisa negotiates with Mayor Quimby, sudden power outage plunges parade into darkness, candles glow everywhere. In the blackout, neighbors share lemonade, sing old Simpsons tune, unity sparks, cameras flash brightly. Resolution, Homer reemployed by new solar startup, family toast, Springfield cheers, lesson, togetherness cures chaos.